Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll be creating this call out picture. It was created on CapCut, but I'll be doing a replica of it on VN video editor. So just sit back and watch to the end on how I created my own version on VN video editor. So once I import my video clip on the timeline, so what I'll do is I'll scroll through where I wanted to do a call out, but I saw that the aspect ratio which I wanted to use was not 16:9 but 9:16, so I changed the originality to 9:16. So after that, I scrolled to where I wanted to do the call out. So once you get there, first thing you need to do is, once you freeze that aspect in which you wanted to call out, then you make a duplicate of it. Then after making a duplicate, do a cutout. Once you are done doing a cutout, then you can resize it, then put your text, and that is it. So please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, like and give your comments, and don't forget to share as well.